Let's talk bird spikes. Bird spikes come in various different sizes depending upon the species you're looking to protect against. Pigeon and gull spikes differ only in size, although they do come in various forms depending upon the depth of the ledge you're looking to protect. As you'll see here with a gull spike versus a pigeon spike, the height is considerably longer. Here we have two variations of pigeon spikes, and as you'll see, the difference in depth, which can be used depending upon the depth of ledge you're looking to protect. Installing the right system for the species is paramount. If you're in any doubts, please feel free to contact us and we'll talk you through it. Bird proofing with spikes can be done in a DIY fashion on smaller projects. However, large scale projects, it's always worthwhile getting an expert involved to really make sure you're making the right choice.